What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're all well. Today we're looking at Bitcoin on the daily time frame, and of course yesterday we called this short-term bottom. Well, now it seems like you're running into this resistance and it's going to be some sort of short-term top if we get a daily candle close exactly like this, because we're seeing this as a shooting star at resistance, and when we see this at resistance with wicks to the top, it basically means that it wants to come down. And at the moment you actually still got lower highs, so you do have a higher low. So what should precede a higher low? A higher high, higher than this high. So that's why we're ready for this double bottom. But also we need to realize that we're getting rejected right now. This basically means that if we do close like this, it wants to put in lower lows. But just because it wants to put in lower lows, does it mean it will? Doesn't mean it has to. So you could easily just come back to previous support, hold support, and then form some sort of double bottom just here. Just like in this first leg of this potential much larger double bottom, you got in the first leg another double bottom. At the top part, you got an M pattern, and then here you might be getting another W, which could be the second leg. So that's what I would be ready for. If you go ahead and lose this support, then of course you're going to continue rolling over, and you should even lose this wick. But for the moment, this is a very strong support because of how large this wick to the downside was, showing you that the bears, when this candle opened, took power with the news in the world. And then obviously all the bulls were like, this price is way too low for Bitcoin, we're going to push it up. This is now a short-term bottom. The bulls literally took the power from the bears. Bears pushed them down, bulls were even stronger, pushed price back up to entry, and then flipped this candle into a green candle, pushing price all the way up here to almost 40k, and then came down a little bit. So the bears stepped in a little bit at this resistance, and they're still fighting right now. You can see you kept on trying to get above this point exactly with the candlestick bodies, but you failed to close there with the candlestick bodies. So there is literally an area of support and resistance right here. And if we look to the left, structure these clues, you can see it's that 39k wick that we're really struggling with at the moment. So that's what I would be thinking about going forward. Are we going to flip this into resistance like we are right now, basically saying that we want to come lower, put in lower lows? But we need to remember, just because it should now put lower lows doesn't mean that it will. Just like when you lost this low over here, you're basically in a target to this, and if you lose this, you're in a target to this. But you couldn't close below this. You were below it. It was, if you lost this with a body candle close, you would be coming to try and actually lose this. But you see, in one candle you lost this and this, but then you actually reclaimed both of those supports. So both of these supports are valid and strong areas of support. So that's why right now getting this higher low is very positive signs. It's just in the immediate short term we're running into these EMAs right now, and that could mean that we can pull back. But as long as this pullback is higher than 34.3k, then actually we should actually try and break above this. The only thing that would stop us from coming back to this resistance point up here is the 55 EMA, which is this previous low point over here. And today we didn't even really need to draw anything. We were just looking at the levels. We were looking to the left, structure leaves clues. We're looking at wicks to the top, it wants to drop. We're looking at the EMAs. We're looking at price action, guys. I just wanted to show you today that it is as simple as this. You don't need anything. You just need the EMAs, and you don't even really need the fibs, really. Of course, I love the fibs, can't lie, but the EMAs are so perfect. So you've come down, retraced, and you've probably come up either 0.50% or 382%. So we'll check this now. So from the high, it's going to get messy, to the low. You've come up to the 0.50 right there. So you've retraced 50% of the move now. 50% from here to here. You retrace 50%. If you can reclaim the 618, then you could be invalidating this sort of short-term dead cat bounce. But on the daily time frame, if we do now hold this as resistance and we do go lower and put in lower lows with the body candle closes below this, then we should try and test this wick, but we might not fill it in. Obviously it'd be amazing to fill it in, but we might not if this area of support right here holds, this area that we've drawn in the past. If this area here holds, then we won't fill in this wick down here. But you can see where the supports are here and here, but we didn't even need that, you know what I mean? You can just look at the lows, so you can see that you're holding support with the bodies here and here, and then you come into this area and you lost it, and where did you bounce from? This area here. So we can see the supports and resistance, and same for resistance. This is going to be a struggle to get above here, and you can see that's lining up nicely with the 55 EMA. So thank you guys for watching. Of course, subscribe to the channel, click the cat in the bottom right corner, like the video, please comment what you think is going to happen next, or just comment it in general, guys. We need to get the comments and the likes back up. So let's aim for about 20 likes on the video. Let's get about 10 comments. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one, and as always, peace. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1 month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have zero, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2 hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6 hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day, what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6 hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTuber's help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.